Hey everyone, I'm Natalia and we hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm celebrating with the most colorful makeup look, so let's get into it. Starting with eye tapes placed lower to leave space for bold lower lid color. Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer, perfect dupe for Urban Decay, keeps everything crease-free all day. Revolution Vibrant Icon Bright Palette, white cream base all over to make colors pop. Setting with this Essence Soft Touch Mono Eyeshadow. Light orange into the crease, going higher for my hooded eyes. Matte green deepening everything. And this vibrant blue packed on for intensity. Blending for smooth transitions. Shimmery orange on the inner corner and center with my finger. Andayan Emerald Green Cream Gel Eyeliner, subscriber recommendation. Drawing my wing, blending and adding to the lower lash line. Removing tapes, minimal fallout, everything stayed put. Catrice Curler, then Primark PS Extreme Lash Mascara in brown. Perfect dupe for Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Makeup Revolution Brown Pomade in medium brown, my holy grail. Drawing higher, filling in, extending. Setting with Essence Brow Thick and Wow Mascara. FaceTime, 3 products, 2 amazing dupes coming up. Primark PS Vitamin Enriched Primer, dupe for Bobbi Brown. Smells amazing. Taking it down to my neck. Primark PS Perfect Finish Foundation in Nougat, dupe for IT Cosmetics CC Cream. For natural look, blending with my Real Techniques makeup sponge. Catrice Camouflage Concealer under eyes, nose and above brows. Gently tapping to blend. Setting my face with Guerlain Météorites Pros in Clair. The glow, the sparkle, I am obsessed. Now using my Too Faced Enchanted Forest palette. Had this for years. Bronzer first with my contour brush, lifting the cheekbones, sides of the forehead, and slimming down the nose. This gorgeous pink shimmery blush high on the cheeks, center of the nose and sides of the forehead. My most used highlighter going on with my finger, bridge of the nose, cheekbones up to the brow, highest points of the forehead, so glowy. Lip time, using Catrice Plumping Lip Liner in Queen Vibes to outline my lips. Then Kiko Milano Lip Oil in Milky Way for that perfect glossy finish. Primark Shimmery Setting Spray, almost finished because I love it. And makeup is done. This is what makeup is all about for me, joy, color and a little escape from the everyday. Thank you very much for being part of my journey. See you soon, bye!